If you're seeing this and you don't have any of this yet, this oil of oregano from Micro Ingredients, then I highly recommend you stop what you're doing and get some of this. And here's why, is because people have been taking this stuff when they start coming down with something and it knocks it down. So get this, don't get any chin diapers or any of that kind of stuff. This is the stuff you need to add to your medicine cabinet because it has 300 of the soft gels in here to last you for a long time, especially if you just take it when you feel like you're coming down with something. And it's for all the different kind of like infections, upper respiratory virus, those kind of things, coughing, fever, whatever have you. And it helps to fight it off because it has really strong antibacterial properties in here. So I'll leave a link down below for you to get some of this, but make sure you hit that orange shopping cart before they run out of this.